Good morning and welcome here on WildEarth from my present. It's a beautiful morning. Alex is behind the camera. Jan is in the live control center. So I just want to show you something here before I furthermore with my speech. Look like something good happening here from the start of the drive. Huh?
Did you see that?
Oh, it's something like a big termite.
Big termites?
Yeah, but it looks like it's moving. A termite with tracks. Look at this elephant here.
Mr. Rexon, can you move your head a bit? Thank you.
Breathing out of elephant here. I'll give the sun hat. I'll look at that. What is just breaking? I'm a tree into my right. It's lovely morning here in Service Center Juma as we spotted this big five in one of the big five, and there's quite a lot of tracks of a leopard in the road, which is a lot more promising. It's also fresh. We have something to do today. I mean, so early like this, we'll try to follow up here. And also it looked like it was, lines that we're calling early in the morning around 3:30 into the same area. So we have found, elephant and also tracks of a leopard, which is still good. And also actually there was a lions around in the area. Try to follow up on all of that information and try to see if we can win for both of them. So early like this. African elephant, as you can see, is young bull there, still young most of the time. You know that elephant, if it reaches up to 19 years age of old, it really leaves the head or the family of a female, the matriarch society, and go and join so-called bachelor head. But that time, the reason why the matriarch or the females push them out is a matter of when it gets to 18 years age of old, the young ones are really giving females trouble. They think they're a lot more strong. They can able to mate. As you can know that when it comes to sexual activity of an elephant in the early stages, it's responding so much quick. If you get to send a female that is in estrus, automatically it will come into estrus as a young male. It will come on mass as a young male. So they try to mate. So it's a really the female, she's coming one task. Some female that we spotted from a southern Patrick, and it looked like the secret gland, it was just shrinking from last night. It can be, the youngster from the behind. It could be from the stress or it could be from the heat. So it really can secrete on that. It could be an excitement of having the good fit into the area, and it also can be affecting the temporal nerve secrete. I think it's amazing. Still youngster. On that age, you may find that the mother is already now is pregnant. They might be looking for or expecting for the third youngster to come out. As you can see, being two together, it looks like they're coming from the same litter. And the pregnancy period of elephant is up to 22 months, and the mother will give birth. Okay, we can go back a little bit. Alex, it looked like the female, the matriarch of these two youngster. It's now on the road. It's enjoying Amarula. So let us see what is picking Amarula. It will be awesome. Starting here. Like that, it will be a very good morning. I feel like it's one of the best mornings that we will see a lot of animals into the area. Oh, we'll stand by here. That's a beautiful shot. As you can see, the youngster is picking Amarula there. Amarula is one of the fruit that is more common this time of the year. Every animal out in wild are now picking Amarula most of the time. They spend 60% of their time going underneath the Amarula tree and pick them, which is it's very, very rich in nutrition. So animals are a lot more happy, giving vitamin C and also boosting a lot of immune systems on the animals for the vitamin that they have collecting from Amarula. So the more the animals getting stronger is the more animal collect a lot of Amarula into the area. They spend a lot of time, 60% of their time hunting Amarula, which is something. Especially if you copy me, those tracks of gorilla very close to Uris, headed into the north, and also there was Ngala calling about 3:30, very close to Gary Waterhole. There's quite a lot of tracks here for Ingwe going up and down. Very amazing with elephant. Elephant is one of the species that is having a home range. It doesn't stay in a particular area or a preference area for collection of food. It can cover the great area of Savisand around here in Juma. Actually, they can migrate into northern part of our neighbor reserve, and also the southern part of our neighboring reserve into the east too. So they really migrate into the area. But the amazing issue, like this time of the year, elephant is right here. The next season of Amarula, the same time, the same month, same week, elephant will be in the same area. So the memory of this animal itself is very, very good. Lose the task. It could be from pushing trees, it could be from fighting. We'll never know what exactly, but it's very common from pushing all the trees. Female are unlike challenging fight. They don't do that most of the time. What they do is to push a lot of trees for themselves to survive. So you may find that she can lose a task easy on that way. If we look at all